Want to make money online? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Pinterest affiliate marketing, a beginner-friendly way to earn from home. You don't need a big budget or marketing degree, just creativity and a willingness to learn. Pinterest isn't just for recipes or decor. It's a visual search engine where millions look for products to buy. That's why it's perfect for affiliate marketing. You connect people with products and earn a commission when they buy. Imagine turning your interests, like fashion, fitness, or tech, into income. Pinterest's tools are easy, and the earning potential is real. We'll guide you step by step, from setting up your account to creating your first pin. You'll learn how to pick the right products, make pins that get clicks, and grow your followers. We'll also cover common mistakes to avoid. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to start earning. Ready to learn? Your journey to making money online with Pinterest starts now. Let's unlock your potential. No fluff, just actionable steps. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time business, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Here's how to turn Pinterest into your online income stream. Let's break down affiliate marketing. Think of it as recommending products online. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You join an affiliate program, get a unique link, and share it with your audience. No need to create products, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. The company does all that. Your job? Connect the right people with the right products. You can promote products from multiple companies, creating several income streams. The key is trust. Only recommend products you believe in. If you're honest and helpful, people will keep clicking your links. Avoid promoting low-quality items just for a quick buck. Affiliate marketing is about building relationships and helping your audience make smart choices. It's a simple concept with big potential. Ready to see why Pinterest is the best place for this? Let's move on. You don't need to be a sales expert, just authentic. Start small, grow big. Why Pinterest? It's not just another social network. It's a visual discovery engine. People come to Pinterest to find ideas and shop, not just to socialize. Users are in a buying mindset, making them more likely to click your affiliate links. Pins last for months or even years, unlike posts on other platforms that disappear in hours. Your efforts compound. One good pin can earn for you long term. You don't need a huge following. Quality pins and smart keywords matter more. Even new accounts can get traction quickly. Pinterest's user base is massive, with high purchasing power. In 2025, shopping features are better than ever, making it seamless for users to buy. That's why Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Let's see how to get started. You're marketing to people ready to buy. The opportunity is huge. Here's your action plan for Pinterest affiliate marketing. First, create a free Pinterest business account for analytics and credibility. Complete your profile. Clear username, keyword, rich bio, and a professional photo. Claim your website. Even a simple one-page site works. Create at least 10 boards relevant to your niche. Start by pinning high-quality content from others to build trust and authority. Pin 10 to 15 times a day using Pinterest's scheduler for consistency. Consistency is key to growth. Always disclose affiliate links with #ad or #affiliate link in your pin descriptions. Read Pinterest's guidelines and your affiliate program's terms. Following the rules protects your account and builds trust. Now, let's find products that sell. Set up your foundation right and you're ready to earn. Let's move to product selection. Choosing the right products is crucial. Pick a niche you're passionate about. Fashion, gadgets, wellness, anything you love. When you care, your content connects. Brainstorm topics you enjoy and problems you like to solve. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale to find products in your niche. Look for good commission rates and reputable brands. Promote products that solve real problems, not just those with high payouts. Quality matters. Choose items with strong reviews. Apply to affiliate programs honestly, mentioning you'll use Pinterest and follow disclosure rules. Once approved, grab your unique links. Next, let's create pins people can't resist. Your product choices set the stage for success. Ready to design winning pins? Your pins are your storefront. Make them irresistible. Use high-quality, vertical images, 1000 at 1500 px. Free sites like Pexels or Unsplash are great, or take your own photos. Design with Canva and add text overlays to highlight benefits. Example, 5 must-have gadgets for your home office. Write clear, keyword-rich titles that solve a problem or promise a benefit. Example, the best reading lamp for reducing eye strain. In your description, explain why you recommend the product and how it helps. Always include your affiliate disclosure, #AD, and your direct affiliate link, no link shorteners. Double-check your links before publishing. Example, promote a yoga mat with a photo, overlay eco-friendly yoga mat that won't slip, and a title like, My Honest Review of the Best Non-Slip Yoga Mat. Describe its features, add your disclosure, and link. Save to a relevant board. Great pins drive clicks and sales. Focus on visuals, clarity, and value. Each pin is a chance to earn. Now, let's grow your audience. Make every pin count. Ready to boost your reach? Growing your audience means more eyes on your pins. Be consistent. Pin daily, mixing affiliate and helpful content. Use Pinterest Scheduler to stay on track. Optimize everything with relevant keywords, profile, boards, pins. Use Pinterest's search bar to find popular keywords in your niche. Engage with others. Follow creators, repin quality content, and join group boards for more exposure. Group boards can multiply your reach. Choose active ones in your niche. Track your progress with Pinterest Analytics. Double down on what works: colors, formats, topics. Consistency and smart strategy grow your followers and clicks. More followers, more sales. Let's avoid common mistakes next. Keep your growth steady and strategic. Avoid these beginner mistakes for long-term success. Don't be too salesy. Mix affiliate pins with valuable, non-promotional content. Aim for 80-20. Always disclose affiliate links, #ad or #affiliate. It's required and builds trust. Never hide your links or be sneaky. Honesty is key. Don't ignore keywords. Optimize every pin, board, and profile section. Use the Pinterest search bar and competitor research for keyword ideas. Don't give up too soon. Results take time and consistency. You might not see sales right away, but your efforts compound. Stay patient and keep learning. Success on Pinterest is a marathon, not a sprint. Trust the process and keep improving. Mistakes are part of learning. Just don't repeat them. Focus on value, transparency, and steady growth. Your persistence will pay off. Now let's wrap up your roadmap. You're almost ready to launch. Let's finish strong. You now have a clear roadmap to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. We've covered what it is, why Pinterest works, and the steps to get started. Choose a niche you love, set up your boards, and join affiliate programs. Don't wait for perfection. Just start. Each pin is a new opportunity to connect and earn. Focus on helping people, and the income will follow. Be authentic, honest, and patient. Your first step: create your Pinterest business account and set up your boards today. Explore affiliate programs and pick products you're excited to share. Consistency is your secret weapon. Pinterest affiliate marketing is a flexible, beginner-friendly way to earn online. The perfect moment is now. Go create your account, design your first pin, and start building your dream. Your Pinterest success story starts today.